No big rush. I was trying to get you to come with your strat, like you were talking. It would take you about an hour to blah blah blah, and then you'd probably come over. But you're not doing that, right? Okay. All right. Have fun. Thank you. That's with, it's plugged in channel 4. The volume controls, volume for 1 and 2 are on one knob. Volume for 3 and 4 are on the second knob. 1 and 2 is on the first knob, 3 and 4 is on the second knob. But the holes are labeled microphone for channel 1 and 3 and instruments for channel 1 and 2. And it sounds weird, but that's how they did it. And you turn up the volume in the opposite direction on the opposite channel. So I'm in channel 4, which is on the second knob, and I have channel 3 and 4, and I'm in channel 4 on the second knob. Channel 1 and 2 are on the first knob, and it's up at about 10. If I roll back channel 1, it gets louder. Way louder. That's on the bridge pickup. But I'm going to bring channel 1 up to do that scooping thing. Gets quieter, but it's so bitchy. Here, they're going to kill me, even though it is Sunday afternoon.